I did. Oh no, I'm dropping a pizza on a little man!
Hey guys, check out my new camera. Oh wait, this isn't a camera. And now, the award for best sarcasm goes to this guy.
Oh wow, thank you so much.
Guess whose arms I stole?
Make me a drink. Yeah!
Honey, I'm pregnant. I can explain.
I'm going to punch your face. In the face.
Knock, knock. Who is there? A mirror. I am lonely.
Are you ready to die?
No.
Then I'll come back later.
That ain't right.
I'm leaving you, Jerry. You and your inappropriate reactions.
Whee!
Hey, you four-eyed freak!
Don't listen to him.
Oh, what kind of dog is he?
He's French. With...
Here comes the aeroplane.
Hey, you know who's gay? You. Oh, come on!
Goodbye, world.
Okay, Jim, I'll see you around. Where you going? Oh, no! Oh, that's not what I thought he meant by that at all!
Hey, want to see an impression of my dad?
Sure. Comedy.
I have no idea how to breathe.
And now, a cow pretending to be a man. Alan, are you a cow? What? No. Yeah, me neither. You guys want to go skateboards?
Hey, what time is it?
It's muffin time!
Actually, it's 12:30.
Somebody kill me!
Okay, hit the apple. Yeah!
Do you ever get tired of being random? Me neither.
I like singing. I like dancing.
I like trains.
Roll the cheese!